DuoBrosGaming Reviewer 331 here today. Today's video I'm going to be doing a firing test with a 12 dart magazine with the Nerf Infinus. Basically the rules are simple, or guidelines I guess. I have a tape measure there. I've already measured it from the tip of the end closest to me all the way down to this tripod where the camera is right now is another 25 feet, so I have 50 feet total. I will be using blue elite darts for this purpose of this firing test. And I'll make sure I get all the other darts out of the way. And these are going to all be leveled shots. I have very little back. I have a very low backyard to even work with, so I gotta be careful. These will all be leveled shots. Let's go. First, I'm gonna just do a single, two. And the wind, there is a bit of wind, about 3 or 4 miles per hour, to the best of my knowledge. So the first two are below the 25 footer. Let's do like three round burst, just one of them. That first I have no idea went, or where it went. So the second two looks like they went down a little bit. And last, so I fired 2, and then a 3 round. Alright, so I have 7 darts left. Fall out on all 7. Alright. Judging by just the amount of ammo I have here. Full dart. Alright, so it looks like the furthest one is actually stuck in the corner of the house. I noticed that one of the darts kind of swerved, went up and swerved into that corner. Did like an eyeball guess, I'm guessing about 20 extra feet past the tape measurer, so 70 feet total. 70 feet maximum is what this blaster can do in decent weather conditions. The dart over there by the tape measure is about 50-ish, maybe a little bit more or less. And then the third dart, that's the third dart furthest, is about 30. I want to say 33. Yeah, 33.5 feet. The worst dart ever is probably about 21 feet. So this blaster has a decent stream of darts coming out, but stock at least. Speed loading's nice. But this blaster, could probably use a little bit more performance. And then again, the wind is kind of varying between 3 to 4 miles per hour, and that might be enough to kind of screw up with the darts. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the day. I guess because of this whole Corona thing, stay safe, wash your hands, don't touch anything, don't touch anyone, and social distancing.